In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flush DNS on Windows 11. If websites are loading slowly, not updating, or showing strange connection errors, clearing the DNS cache can help. Think of it as refreshing your computer's internal address book for the internet, so it stops relying on outdated directions. Start by opening the Windows search. Press the Windows key and the S key together on your keyboard. This opens the search bar instantly, which is the quickest way to find system tools without hunting through menus. In the search box, type Command Prompt. You should see Command Prompt appear in the results. Don't just open it normally. Flushing DNS requires administrative privileges to work properly. Right-click the Command Prompt result and select Run as Administrator. This ensures the command you're about to run has the right permissions. If you accidentally open it without admin rights, the flush won't complete, and you might see an access error. If a user account control prompt appears asking whether to allow changes, click Yes. This is a standard Windows security check confirming you meant to open Command Prompt with elevated permissions. It's normal and safe for this task. With the Command Prompt window open, type the following command exactly and press Enter. ipconfig /flushdns. Make sure there are no extra characters and that there's a space between ipconfig and flushdns. Spelling matters here. Any typo will prevent it from running. After you press Enter, wait a moment for the confirmation. You'll see a message indicating that the DNS cache was successfully flushed. That message is your green light that Windows cleared the stored DNS entries and will fetch fresh ones the next time you visit websites. This process is quick, safe, and doesn't delete files or change your network settings. It simply clears temporary DNS records. If you still notice issues afterward, remember that DNS is only one part of connectivity. At least now you've ruled out stale DNS as the cause. A couple of quick tips for clarity. It's okay to keep your browser open while you do this, but refreshing problem pages after the flush can help them load new information. Also, if you didn't see the success message, double-check that Command Prompt was opened as administrator and that the command was typed exactly. And that's all there is to it. You've just flushed the DNS on Windows 11 and set your system up with a clean slate for faster, more reliable name lookups online.